In today's world, food is more than just a meal. It's an experience, a business, and a global culinary opportunity. From luxury hotels kitchen and cruise lines to celebrity kitchens and food entrepreneurship, culinary industry offers endless possibilities. Hello everyone, I'm Chef Nikhil Bokan, culinary head at DPGU School for Hospitality and Tourism, Pune. Behind every great dining experience is a culinary professional driven by passion, creativity, and expertise. At DPGU, students build strong culinary foundation, explore global cuisines, and gain culinary insights from Michelin Starred Chefs. Our curriculum, thoughtfully designed and delivered by industry experts, ensuring that students learn the latest techniques, industry trends, and professional standard required in hospitality industry. If you are passionate about food, aspire to build a successful career in the hospitality industry, the right education can make all the difference.